Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to set up Xfinity Internet. Okay, the first thing that you will need to do is to choose how you want to set up or activate your Xfinity Internet and voice services. Now you can actually choose using Xfinity Gateway, or you can use an approved own third-party device. So I'm going to show you how you can set it up using an Xfinity Gateway. You can only do this using the application. So download the Xfinity application, which you're going to find on App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have created the Xfinity ID and password, go ahead and click on Login. Now, the next step is to identify your device. Look for the QR code on the bottom or side of your Xfinity Gateway. Focus on the QR code with your smartphone camera, and when it has been scanned, you will see a green check mark. You can also manually enter your gateway CMMAC number or SSID if you don't want to use the scan method. Now, once you're done identifying your device, place your gateway or modem. Now, find the cable outlet most centrally located in your home. Now, place your gateway or modem in an open area away from exterior walls, metal surfaces, microwaves, and windows. Don't place it on the floor, avoid cramped spaces, and anything that can block the device signal. After placing your gateway or modem in a centrally located place in your home, connect your gateway. How do you do that? Screw one end of the commercial cable into the cable in RF in port on your gateway or modem, and the other end into the cable wall outlet. Make sure this connection is finger tight. Plug the power cord into the back of your gateway and then into an electrical outlet to allow for power supply. If you subscribe to Xfinity voice service, connect your telephone to the Tel1 connection on your gateway or modem using a telephone cord. Next step is to name your Wi-Fi network and to create a password. Follow the steps, which is self-explanatory. After that, wait for your gateway or modem to be ready. Now, your gateway or modem may take up to 10 minutes to be ready to activate. The Xfinity app will show you your progress during the step. Do not unplug your gateway or modem during the process until the process is done. Make sure the lights appear as described below before moving on to the next steps. What are the lights you're going to find? Now, if you have an Xfinity gateway with multiple lights on the front, the power, USDS, and online light should remain solid for at least 1 minute, and the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz lights should start blinking. And if you have an Xfinity gateway with only one light on the top, it should remain solid white for at least a minute. Once you're done waiting for your gateway or your modem to be ready, now connect all your devices. Once your network is set up, your Xfinity Internet and voice services are ready to go. Now you can connect all wireless devices like laptops and smartphones to your Wi-Fi network. If you replaced your Xfinity gateway and kept the same settings during activation, your previously connected services should automatically reconnect. Note, Xfinity gateways come with built-in Xfinity Wi-Fi home hotspots that may take up to 24 hours to broadcast. Now, if you're using the third-party, that's the own third-party device, this is what you can do to actually set it up. Number 1, place your modem. Most centrally located place in your home, connect your modem using the same process that we have highlighted. Next is to establish a temporary internet connection either through Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Connect through Wi-Fi if your modem supports a wireless connection. So look for the network name, SSID, and password printed on the side, back, or bottom of your modem. The name may look like what you're showing right here, home access and all this stuff. Now go to the Wi-Fi settings on your Wi-Fi enabled device like a smartphone or home computer and select the network name you're going to find from the list of the available networks. Enter the network password when prompted, and if you're prompted to enter a PIN instead of a password, click the connect using the security key link to enter the password in the security key field. Next thing is to connect through an Ethernet cable. Plug the Ethernet cable into one of the open ports on your modem until it clicks. Plug the other end to the Ethernet port of your computer, and the Ethernet port will light up when successfully connected. Next step is to activate your modem. Now, if you don't automatically see a welcome message on your smartphone or computer screen to begin setup once you've established an internet connection, you'll need to open any browser of your choice and go to xfinity.com/activate. Click the "If you're in a location with the pre-installed gateway or activating Xfinity voice, click here to begin" option at the bottom of your screen. Now follow the on-screen prompts to verify your Xfinity account and complete activation process. When you finish activation, your gateway or modem may restart, and it may take up to 10 minutes before you can connect to your home network. Once you're done connecting to your home network, you're going to activate. After activation, connect your devices to your Wi-Fi name and password for your home network if your modem supports a wireless connection. Then, go to the Wi-Fi settings on your Wi-Fi enabled devices. Once you see your Wi-Fi name appear in the list of available networks, you can connect your devices to your home network. Select your home network Wi-Fi name and connect with the password. If you change this during the activation, be sure to use the new one that you set up. And once you're done, that's it. You've been able to set up your Xfinity Internet using the two methods that we have explained above. Isn't it simple? It is. Now you can follow this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.